Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix MSVCP110.dll is missing or not found in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. You just need to open up Chrome and check my video description for this text used in my video. Just to copy and paste it and press enter. Select the first link and click on it. And scroll down. Download this 64-bit and 32-bit guys. Just right click on the download option and select open link in new tab, and in 32-bit you just need to right click on the download option and select open link in new tab, and it will be started downloading. Both started downloading, and now you just need to select a show in folder. First we have downloaded the 64-bit, so you just need to right click on the zip file and select extract all and select extract. After getting extract done, you just need to copy this DLL file. Just to copy it, and after that you go to this PC, local disk C, Windows folder, find system 32. You just need to double click on it, right click on the blank area and paste the file. Replace in the file in the destination. Select continue. After pasting it, go back to downloads and you just need to extract that second we downloaded 32-bit one. You just need to select extract all and select extract. After getting extract done, you just need to copy the 32-bit DLL file. Just to copy it. After that, go to this PC, local disk C, find the Windows folder. Now find SYS wow 64 folder. Just double click on it, paste in the blank area. Just right click on it and paste it, and select replace the file in the destination. Select continue. After pasting it, just to close tab here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.